Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques, how you doing? This is coming from my brand new iPhone 12. Let me know how the pictures look. What we have here is a 1933 Northwestern 1-cent peanut machine with the original locks. Jaime just got this out. We had it restored, cleaned it up. It's in beautiful condition. For those of you that already collect vending machines, nut machines, gumball machines, you know what you got here. For those of you who are thinking about starting a collection, I've told you before, this is a great way to start. It's kind of like interactive art. So if you are ready to start with a 1-cent peanut machine, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.